Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. So guys, today in this video we will see how to make your iPhone call ringtone volume louder and bigger. So let's start the video here. So guys, first of all, let's do one thing. Let's check our default setting or a must check setting. So guys, first of all, the main thing that is your check your ringtone volume, how it is. So do one thing, go to your settings. In settings, there is an option called sounds and haptics. Tap on that, and here if you see on the top side, the first one, there is your ringer, right? So here you can see the louder and lowest one. So just go ahead and slide that to highest, okay, loudest. So make sure that it is the loudest. So by default, your iPhone will ring at a louder. Still, if your iPhone is set to loudest, still your iPhone ringtone rings lower side or very low, then how to fix it? So guys, there might be one more reason for this. For this, do one thing. Go to setting only, and here scroll down and choose Face ID and passcode. Okay, enter the passcode and here open the settings. And here if you see, if you scroll down, there is a feature in iPhone called require attention for Face ID. Okay, or a attention aware feature. So basically sometimes it is enabled by default on many iPhones. So what it is, so whenever the call comes, that time if you pay attention to your iPhone, automatically the ringtone goes down. It means that you are paying attention to your iPhone, so there is no need to ring louder side, right? So automatically your iPhone will reduce the ringtone volume on your iPhone. So make sure that you disable this and try again. It should fix. So guys, they are the basic two things you can try, or you can do one thing, just reboot your iPhone and check it, or else just check for an update. If it is a bug, it will fix in coming update. So guys, that's it. Some basic things you can check for these settings. So guys, I hope it helped you. I hope you like this video, and if yes, then thank you very much. Please like the video. Until then, see you in the next video.